Okay, so now let's talk about how we can build our navigational menu. Now, your menu is usually one of the most important parts of your website because it is the main navigational point, the main focal point where users will usually go to in order to look for a very specific post or a very specific article from your website. So your menu has to be well laid out, so to say. Now we have sort of a menu here. We have home, we have about, we have contact, and we have test page. Now what happens is whenever you're using the WordPress 2012 theme, whenever you create a new page, that page will automatically be added to the main menu, and that's where we have about, we have contact, and we have test page. We don't have a home page, so to say. The reason why we have home here is because, again, the theme will create a custom link with the label home, which people can click on in order to go back to the home page. So in order to create a menu, I'm going to come down to my dashboard. I'm going to click on appearance, go down to menus, click on that. And from here you can see the default menu that has been created for us. Now I'm going to click on create a new menu, and I'm going to give it a name as, let's say, main menu. Or you could name yours primary menu, or it doesn't matter. Alright, so create menu. Okay, so now let's add some pages and some categories. First, I'm going to add the about page. I'm going to add the contact page. Check those two boxes. Click on add to menu. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to my custom links. I'm going to add the link text for home. Okay. And now for the URL, I'm simply going to copy themoviecharacters.com. Okay, copy this. Gotta come down here, and then I'm going to paste it. Okay, add to menu. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to categories. And if you don't see all the categories that you've created, simply click on view all. Okay, click on view all, and now we have everything. So I'm simply going to add everything to our menu. Add to menu. Alright, so from here now we can now rearrange the menu items. Simply click and drag. I'm gonna click home, I'm gonna drag that down here. I'm gonna drag contact to the very last page. Alright, so characters we have. Alright, now you can see we all have our menu items. However, iconic characters and superheroes and super spies and supervillains are supposed to be under the characters category. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm simply going to drag iconic characters slightly to the right, and as you can see, the tracing behind it indicates where it's going to appear. So drag it there, drag this one as well, drag it to the right, drag it to the right. Okay, movies, it's a primary category. So again, action, drag it to the right. Comic book, drag it to the right. Horror, drag it to the right. Alright, so we have home, about, characters, movies, news, and contact. Now, very important, you have two options here. Theme locations, we have to click for primary menu, okay? This is going to be a primary menu, so click on that. Now, the other option is to automatically add new top-level pages to this menu, which is what the 2012 theme was doing by default. It's up to you. I personally do not ever check this box. If I create a page and I want to add that page to the main menu, I can always come back down here and simply edit myself. Okay, I don't have to do it automatically. So I'm going to click on Save Menu. And let's go back to our website, refresh. And now we have home, we have about, we have characters. If I hover over characters, we have these subcategories of under characters, the subcategories under movies as well. We have news and we have contact. And that, my friend, is how to create a menu on your WordPress site. So thank you for watching this video. Join me in the next class where I'll show you how to create a custom menu on your sidebar. Thank you for watching.